Hey, what's up, guys? Well, I've been waiting a week for this, and now I finally got it. Yes! The tournament edition stick. Yes! And I got it from Best Buy. So let's open it. I'm excited. Let's see. That's it. Alright, let me get it. Like, this box looks all dented up. Looks like they threw it everywhere. Nice. And then, see, from Best Buy. See that? Let me see. I don't know if I'm showing you anything I shouldn't show you. Nah, whatever. There it is. A lot of plastic air bubbles, whatever. I've never saw this before. Okay. Take it out. There it is. All the characters on the left, on the right, black and white. 20th anniversary. Yup. Okay, let's open it. And there's like a magnet right here. Let me see where I can find it. I think there's like magnets right here. You can watch. It's kind of hard to open it. Yeah. Yeah, there's a magnet right here and right here on both sides. Damn. Alright, and then you get this, like a little note from Capcom. You just purchased the Street Fighter 4 Tournament Edition stick for PS3, yup. Okay, let's open it. Okay. Oh yeah, and I got this one right here too. But damn, the sucky one. And I'm selling it. Okay. Now let's cut open the sides. Cut open the sides. Damn. And the buttons here, let me show you this. There it is, right there. Feels good as hell. Can you hear that? Yeah. Sounds pretty good. Here, let me get the other one. The other stick, the lower end. These are more noisier when you press the buttons. Not good, not good. Let me take it out. There you go. Here it is. There's no headphone jack because that's for Xbox 360s. Dang. Can't believe I got one. Here's the cords in here. It smells so good. It smells brand new. Let me see what else. Comes with this piece of paper. You don't really need to read it because it's just, you already know what you're getting yourself into. Plug and play, you're straight. And yeah, there it is, guys. If you have any questions about where I got it, how much, just eye me, and yeah. And add me on PSN. My gamer tag is ichrissssss with 6 S's. So yeah. Alright, later.